some corn. Selling some corn today, guys. We're getting started with about 100. This day, the second day of corn harvest. Well, today's the first 4 day of corn harvest. We're about 130 acres, 40 acres in corn harvest right now. And let's just say that for the year we've had, I'm damn pleased with our corn. This is dry land corn. This is kind of some mediocre ground. It's decent ground. It's decent ground. But it's running, well, I'm over 202 bushel an acre. So I will take that. Everything's going good. We've had a couple issues with we had a couple issues with a few things, but we got it figured out now. One of those issues being the GTS header here, which I want to review on. So I love this thing. This thing's awesome. We had a little modification to this combine, going from a 40 series case to a 50 series case. The tongue was bigger, and the throats were bigger, they made thicker, and so they had to the hooks that hook onto the header were bigger. We had a little modification to it. So if y'all run a 2000 and so yeah, that's the deal with that. But I know, shut up. But anyway, whoa, this is a ditch. Anyhow, I know. I'm trying to get out of this ditch here. Hold on. Anyway, that's what's going on with it. That's what's going on with the corn today. We got a real full haul right there. I'm sorry, I had to go down the ditch. Sorry. We got a real long haul down the bins. Not making a joke, the bins are right there. We're putting these in. So we have no problem keeping up. So yeah, that's what's going on today. This is channel 209, 109 day corn mixed with an AgroGold. This AgroGold channel split. This is the channel here mixed with AgroGold something or other. I can't remember the name of the AgroGold, the number. But they're both 100. But they're both 100 and one's 108 day, one's 110 day. And this is the early stuff we planted, but we planted this stuff early so we can get started here. So, yeah. We're doing it. Talk to y'all later.